The unfoldment of my personal journey of personal growth and self-attention very quickly led me to the discovery of quantum systems and the electromagnetic nature of the human body. I had a little to no room for the summary nature of spirituality for decades in my personal reveling. However, a variety of tough life experiences required me to seek answers, first within the fields that we are familiar. And then, while these states failed to provide a solution, I became to alternative spiritual practices. As I accompanied what I now call universal breadcrumbs, I found my way to the regulation of attraction, typical ideas, quantum discipline theory, and intuitive practices. I started to research and in reality experienced the science of our nature coupled with the power of generic energies of the unseen and what many humans call God. These reports caused my own awakening to the truth, as well as a spiritual essence, strength, or soul. This is a part of a bigger universal strength of oneness. This can look like a deep and nearly impossible undertaking at face value for some people. However, is not a good size and tough as one might think. While we rise above our lives, most anyone can recognize that we are on a journey of multifaceted stories that all interconnect. And there is a learning about the numerous aspects of this journey and their relationships to each other through specific lenses that enables us to find which means and purpose in our lives. In other words, we have a tendency as a species to have interaction in black and white thinking, or nothing wondering. We are trained to be more at ease with viewing things one way with little room for opportunities, alternatives, and the idea that two aspects of concept can exist at the same time. Over the centuries, science and spirituality were notioned of as two separate and sometimes opposite. However, it's far clear that as more and more humans become dissatisfied with the restrictions of technology or the expense of spirituality, they are locating their way to a coherent and interconnected blend of these two fields of explanation, while in search of a broader knowledge in their existence. For I believe that higher synergy completes every person, whilst we allow this greater intersection and integration in our gifts, perceptions, and views. Whole new worlds and dimensions open up to us that have been formerly unseeable and unknowable to us. This is in which a whole new world of planetary peace, kindness, cooperation, compassion, prosperity, and this is inviting everyone to enjoy a more universal oneness in all matters, all beings, and all life on this dwelling universe.